I think that it goes without saying that we're at a time when we're just inundated with all of these distractions, many of which are, drawing us to our phones and to, our TVs, and it's so wonderful to be doing something that's so focused and single-minded that there isn't really any space for those distractions. I'm Laura Wolfgang. I am a senior product manager at Food52, and I am the woman behind Wolfgang Ceramics. We are at Clay Space 1205, which is a communal ceramic studio in North Brooklyn. It's a really great community of potters doing all sorts of different kind of work. We share the wheels and the kilns, and I have my own little private workstation that has a desk and a shelving unit. A studio had just opened in my neighborhood and I signed up for a wheel class. I had done some pottery in high school and college, I had taken some classes, but I didn't actually start throwing on the wheel until I took this class. And I was immediately really taken by it. There's something that's so satisfying about creating something with your hands and watching as a lump of dirt becomes something that you can actually bring into your home and drink coffee out of. When I was asked to create a mug for Food52, I started by thinking about all of the qualities of mugs that I really enjoy and that I want to interact with in my home. And I kind of identified all of these different qualities and really attempted to bring them together. So I started with a shape that was pretty simple. I wanted to focus on a form that was taller than it was wide. I find that when you can wrap your hands around a mug, especially on a cold day, it's just this really nice interaction with your fingers and your hands. And then when it came to actually glazing and applying a design to it, I really wanted to allow the simplicity of the clay to speak for itself. I like to keep a little bit exposed and raw because I think that's a really beautiful quality. The overlap in the Venn diagram between the work that I do at Food52 and the work that I do at my studio, both are incredibly focused on how people interact with the experiences that we're creating. When it comes to the website, I'm thinking about how people arrive at something, how are they discovering content, how are they making decisions about what to make for dinner at night, which is not totally dissimilar from the kind of thinking that I use when I'm creating a mug. I spend a lot of time thinking about how it feels to hold a piece, what it feels like to receive a package from me and open it and uncover what they have been waiting, sometimes weeks for. You can put all this time and effort into measuring and trying to get a wall of a mug perfectly straight, but in the end it'll always show some side of the maker. There's no such thing as a perfect mug.